ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डदीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Advaita Siddhi, we are seeing Pratikarma Vyavastha. In this Pratikarma Vyavastha, Purva Pakshi's question was, how you will have one person knowing one object at one time and not everything. Karma here means Vishaya. Pratikarma Vyavastha, how will it happen if Jagat is Mithya? What was Purva Paksha's Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र कल्पितत्वं तत्र तत्र प्रतिभात मात्र शरीरत्वम्.
यत्र यत्र कल्पितत्वं तत्र तत्र प्रतीति मात्र शरीरत्वम्. This was the Vyapti. So Siddhanti said, no, there is no problem here. Means for pratibhasika vishaya, ajnata satta is not accepted. But for vyavaharik vishaya, ajnata satta is accepted. Unlike in drishti srishti vada. So keep drishti srishti vada aside. In the srishti drishti vada, creation is there, vishayas are there, then indriyartha sannikarsha will take place, and therefore vishaya jnanam can happen. So when we say vishaya is there, then jnanam takes place. And at some other place we say manadhina meya siddhi. Pramana adhina is prameya siddhi. So there prameya will be known only when there is pramata. Pramata requires chaitanya to become sentient in order to illumine Vishaya. So Pramata has to depend upon Shuddha Chaitanya or Kutastha Chaitanya. That Jnanam is different. And Ghatakara Jnanam is different. Ghatakara Jnanam, Ghatakara Vritti, Ghatak Jnanam that we call, Ghata does not depend upon Ghatakar Vritti or Ghatak Jnana. But Ghata Siddhi depends upon Brahma Chaitanya, in which Ghata is
Adhyastha.
Adhyastha. Ghata is Adhyastha in Brahma Chaitanya. This was the topic of the previous discussion. Okay. So this much you should know. So for Vyavaharik Vishaya, Ajnata Satta is accepted. And therefore Pratikarma Vyavastha will happen. Three types of options we saw. One was first division was Jiva Chaitanya and Antakarana Upadhi Chaitanya and Avidya Upahita. So Avidya Upadhikam first, Antakarana Upadhikam second, two matam. Then in Avidya Upadhikam, Avrutam and Anavrutam. And in the other one, where it is Antakarana Upadhikam, it is Parichinnam. So there Prakashaka will be Brahma Chaitanya. Up to that, we saw and this Brahma Chaitanya, Jiva Chaitanya, even if it is Sarvagata, only Tattadakara Vrittya eva Uparajyate. So, Ghata, Pata, so many Vishayas can be there. Tattadakara Vritti, Ghatakara Vritti, when it takes place, then only that Jiva Chaitanya's Ghata Vishayaka Avarana Nivritti will happen, not any other. Like he gave the example, Gotvam is everywhere. But Sasnadi Matvam, where it is, there only Gotva Abhivyakti will happen, not else. Then he gives another example. This is page number 343, fourth line from the bottom. Yathava Kash Tan Aprakashayanti Rupa Samsargitaya Rupam Eva Prakashayati. Tadvat. Yathava Pradipa Prabha. The illumination of a lamp, it pervades all. What are the all things? Akasha, Gandha, Rasa, it pervades all of them. Akasha, Gandha, Rasadi, Vyapini, Api. Tan Aprakashayanti. Aprakashayanti is what prayoga?
शत्रु प्रयोग स्वामी जी।
शत्रु प्रयोग. उनको प्रकाशन नहीं करती हुई केवल रूप को प्रकाशित करेगी. रूपमेव प्रकाशयति. The lamp, the illumination of a lamp does not illumine Akasha, Gandha, Rasa. It will only illumine Rupa by connecting with Rupa. Rupa Sansargitaya. So Tan Aprakashayanti Rupa Sansargitaya Rupam eva Prakashayati. Tadvat. Tadvat, this Vishaya so if they have this Vishaya wherever it is, it will not be that all Vishayas are illumined by the Chaitanya which is Sarvagata. Wherever it can have the Uchita Abhivyakti Sthanam. So illumination can manifest itself where Rupa is. In the previous example we saw, Gotva can illuminate itself where Sasnadi Matvam is. In the same way, this Chaitanya, Jiva Chaitanya, where it will manifest, where Tad Vishayakara Vritti is there. Everything is in Chaitanya, but if Ghatakar Vritti is there, Ghata Spuranam will happen, Ghata Jnanam will take place. So that Vritti Upadhi is needed. And otherwise also we know Kutastha Chaitanya is there everywhere, but every Vishaya Jnanam doesn't happen. But wherever Tadakar Vritti happens, Tad Vishayaka Jnanam will happen. Tadvat. Further, Kevalagni Adahyasyapi Ayaf Pindadi Samarudha Agni Dahyatva Vacha. This is another Drishtanta. Keval Agni is incapable of burning anything. Keval Agni means Agni as Tattva. Agni as an element cannot burn anything. Like in our body, Agni is there or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
But that Agni doesn't burn anything. That way we say in the wood also Agni is there. It is hidden. Agnir yathaiko bhuvanam pravishtaha rupam rupam pratirupo babhuva. So it is there everywhere. Only where it can manifest. So the example is given here. Ayah pindadi. Tat samarudha agni. When that agni expresses in the iron ball, ayah pinda, then it has the ability to burn. Dahyatva is there. Dahyatva vaccha. Like that, kevala chaitanya aprakashyasyapi hatadesh tattadakara vritti uparudha chaitanya prakashyatvam yuktam. Kevala chaitanya aprakashyasyapi. Kevala chaitanya, Brahma chaitanya is everywhere. It will not illumine Vishaya. But tattadakara vritti, when it takes place for the Vishaya, then tad uparudha chaitanya prakashyatvam. Vritti arudha chaitanya prakashyatvam yesham
घटादेह
hatadehe yuktam. Hatadi will become illumined by this chaitanya prakash. So this is for one case of Anavrita Sarvagata Jiva Chaitanya. Three cases, you remember we discussed three. First one is Anavrita. Anavrita by Avidya. Avidya Anavrita Sarvagata Jiva Chaitanya. One case, he has explained how Pratikarma Vyavastha will happen. Evamcha. So he concludes this Anavritatva Paksha. Anavritatva Pakshe Tattadakara Vritti Dwara Chaitanyasya Tattad Uparage Tattad Artha Prakasha. So this Tattad is, so in this Anavritatva Paksha, Tattad Akara Vritti, Ghatakara Patakara Vritti Dwara Chaitanyasya Tattad Uparaga. Uparaga means Uparanjanam Sarga, Sansarga. Chaitanya is now capable of illumining that Vishaya. It is already Sarvagata and it is already Anavrita, so it is easy. Second, Avritatva Pakshe. Tattad Akara Vritya Tattad Vishayavachinna Chaitanya Avarana Abhibhavena Tattad Artha Prakasha. Avrita. Avrita by what?
Avidya.
Avidya.
Avidya. Avritatva Pakshe Tattad Akara Vritya Ghata Patakara Vritya Tattad Vishayavachinna Chaitanya. So that Vishaya Avachin, because now it is Avrita. So now what should happen? By that Vritti, Avarana Bhanga should happen. Tattad Avarana Abhibhavena Tattad Artha Prakasha. Then accordingly, whatever that Vishaya is, that Vishaya Prakasha will happen. So here also, विषयाकार वृत्ति and विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्य निष्ठ आवरण. Avarana is in avidya. I mean in Chaitanya. Avidya avarana is in Chaitanya. Avarana will always cover Chaitanya Vastu. Avarana has no prayojanam to cover Jada Vastu. The whole purpose of Avarana is to cover those things where there is illumination, where there is already dark. And you say, give me a blanket because I want to cover something. It is already dark. Why do you need any other avarana? So, avidya avarana will conceal prakasha, chaitanya, not jadavastha. So, tattadakar vritti, tattad vishayavachhinna chaitanya nishtha avarana abhibhava. That avarana bhanga will happen and vishaya prakashan will happen. This is case 2. Third case is antakaranaavachhinna chaitanya rupatve जीवस्य अवच्छेदक अंतःकरण तत्तद विषयाकार वृत्त्या. Jiva is parichhinna here and Jiva is in antakarana. Jiva is antakarana avachhinna, it is not sarvagata. And the prakashaka of Vishaya is going to be Brahman. So how pratikarma vyavastha will happen? Antakarana avachhinna chaitanya. So let's say in my antakarana there is ghatakara vritti. And Vishaya is in Bahya Desha. So Jiva, that Tadakar Vritti in the Antakarana, Jivasya Avachedaka Antakarana, Tattad Vishayakara Vrittya, Tattad Vishayavachinna Chaitanya Abhivyaktau. Then that Vishaya Avachinna Chaitanya Abhivyakti will happen. When this Antakarana Vritti will go to Bahirdesha along with the Chaitanya, how the general prakriya we say, it will go out, it will get the knowledge, etc. And Brahma Chaitanya will do prakashanam there. So in that case, the Jiva Chaitanya and Brahma Chaitanya, between them there will be Abheda. And then only Brahma Chaitanya will illuminate. Now in this, some doubts can be there. In this third case, first two are okay, because their Jiva Chaitanya is Sarvagata. But in this third case, doubts can be like this. That Jiva Chaitanya is not illumining Vishaya. Brahma Chaitanya is illumining Vishaya. So then, how do you say Jiva is getting knowledge of the Vishaya? Brahma should get the knowledge, because whoever is the illuminator will get the knowledge. This is one doubt. So Jiva will not have any knowledge. Only Brahma will have the jnana. Second is, if Jiva Chaitanya is Parichinna, it will be only in Antakarana. How will it have the knowledge of Bahya Vishaya? So that is given in the next two lines. Yadyapi Prakashakam Adhishthana Chaitanyam Sarvagatam Jiva Chaitanyam cha Antakaranaavachinna. Because this is the scenario. Jiva Chaitanya is Antakarana Avachinna. How will it have the knowledge of Bahya Desha? And who will have the knowledge? Jiva Chaitanya or Brahma Chaitanya? We say Tathapi Chaitanya Abhedena Abhivyaktatvat Vyavastha Upavatti. Pratikarma Vyavastha will happen because Chaitanya is one. Chaitanya is one means, see, Jiva Chaitanya and Brahma Chaitanya are always one. If you say that, then everybody should get all knowledge. So, when it is said Chaitanya Abheda means, when Ghatakar Vritti takes place, then Ghatakar Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya and Brahma Chaitanya will become one. And along with that, Jiva Chaitanya. So, Pramata Avachinna Chaitanya, Prameya Avachinna Chaitanya, Pramana Avachinna Chaitanya, all will become one. This is the prakriya that we use generally, like in Vedanta Paribhasha. So, Pramata Avachinna Chaitanya, even though it is in Antakarana, that Antakarana, from there in Bahirdesha, Pramana Vritti has gone. And Tad Vishayaka Chaitanya Avarana Bhanga will take place. Vishaya Prakashanam will happen by Brahma Chaitanya. So now, because this Devadatta Antakarana Avachinna, Ghatakar Vritti Avachinna, Brahma Chaitanya, all three have become one. Therefore, Devadatta will have Ghata Jnana. If you just say Chaitanya is one, so then Maitra Antakarana Avachinna Chaitanya and Pata Jnanam also should happen when Chaitra has Ghatakar Vritti. Why? Because Chaitanya is one. So that way it doesn't happen. Only Tad Vyakti, Tad Vishayavachinna Chaitanya and Tad Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya, when everything becomes one, then that Jnanam takes place. So both the questions that are raised, that how the Bahya Desha Jnanam will take place and how Jiva Chaitanya is different from Brahma Chaitanya and Brahma Chaitanya is Prakashaka. So still, because at that time, Jiva Chaitanya, Brahma Chaitanya become one. So that Jnanam is considered to be Jnanam of Jiva Chaitanya. And Bahya Desha Vishaya, when the Vritti happens, Vritti goes in the Bahya Desha, so that Jnanam is there. So in this way, Pratikarma Vyavastha is possible. Vyavastha Upapattihi. Then somebody may have a question that, what is the objective of showing three different prakriyas for one Pratikarma Vyavastha? So in Hindi Tika, you see two shlokas are given on that same page. Prakriya niyamo nasti napi pum vyutpatti pradhanatah pratishruti vigitischa prakriyanam samikshyate. Everybody found?
Yes, Swamiji.
Prakriya niyamo nasti. There is no niyama for prakriya. Any prakriya you use. And there is no pum vyutpatti, means in the buddhi for Purusha, how the knowledge takes place, through which prakriya, that is not important. Prakriyanam samikshate pratishruti vigitischa. In Shruti, Vigiti means in varieties of ways that prakriya is sung. Their samiksha is done. Then which one is important? You chant the shloka. Yaya yaya bhavet pumsam
यया यया
यया
भवेत्
भवेत् पुंस्
व्युत्पत्तिः प्रत्यगात्मनि
उत्पत्तिः प्रत्यगात्मनि
सा सैव प्रक्रियेह स्यात्
सा सैव प्रक्रियेह स्यात्
साध्वी सा चानवस्थिता।
सा साध्वी सा चानवस्थिता यया यया भवेत् पुंसां व्युत्पत्तिः प्रत्यगात्मनि सा सैव प्रक्रियेह स्यात् साध्वी सा चानवस्थिता.
This is famous Vartika. We saw this in Panchikaran. Yaya yaya bhavet pumsam vyutpattihi pratyagat. In Siddhanta Bildu also this is quoted. We will see when it comes. Means you can understand now how important this is. Everywhere in all Praud Granthas it is there. Yaya yaya pumsam pratyagatmani vyutpattihi bhavet. Vyutpatti means understanding. Yaya yaya prakriyaya. By whatever prakriya for a sadhaka in pratyagatma, about pratyagatma, pratyagatma is vishaya saptami. Pratyagatmaka, pratyagatma vishayaka. Pratyagatma vishayaka vyutpatti. Understanding related to pratyagatma, whichever way it happened. Bhavet, bhevat nahi, bhavet. Sa saiva prakriya iha syat. That is the real prakriya. I mean, this is the right thing for you. Sadhvicha, sadhvi sacha anavasthita. It is sadhvi and it is anavasthita. Anavasthita means it is not firm that only this is right and that is wrong. Whichever way you understand you are a Brahma is the right way. Or whichever way your prashna samadhanam can happen. That is the right thing. Now further, nanu. Iyam pratikarma vyavastha nopapadyate. Purvapaksha says this is not going to work. This Purvapaksha na upapadyate. Why? Tathahi. Swasannਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟ इंद्रियजन्य स्वज्ञानात् पूर्वं घटादेहे सत्त्वे प्रतीति मात्र शरीरत्व व्याप्त काल्पनिकत्व अयोगः. He says swasannਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟ. Swa means ghata. Ghata sannਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟ इंद्रियजन्य. Ghata jnana. Swa means ghata. Ghata jnanat purvam घटादेहे सत्त्वे. Ghata is already existing before Ghata Indriya Sannikarsha takes place and Ghatakar Vritti takes place. Ghata is already existing. Ghatadehe Sattve Pratiti Matra Shariratva Vyapta Kalpanikatva Ayoga. What is the Vyapti according to this? Pratiti Matra Shariratva Vyapta Kalpanikatva. What is Vyapya and what is Vyapaka?
So Vyapti will be yatra yatra pratiti matra shariratvam tatra tatra kalpanikatvam.
Yatra yatra pratiti matra shariratvam tatra tatra kalpanikatva. This Vyapti is not right, Purvapakshi says. Nacha kalpanikatva vishesha. So, see, when Siddhanti says, Siddhanti's Vyapti will be yatra yatra kalpanikatvam
Tatra tatra pratiti matra shariratvam.
tatra tatra pratiti matra sharira. Pratiti matra shariratva vyapta kalpanikatva. So Siddhanti's Vyapti will be this. Yatra yatra kalpanikatvam tatra tatra pratiti matra shariratva. So pratiti matra shariratva vyapta kalpanikatva means pratiti matra sharira. Only when I am recognizing, then it is a kalpanika vastu. Purva Pakshi says it is not true for Ghatadi. In Ghatadi, this Vyapti or this statement, Pratiti Matra Shariratva Vyapta Kalpanikatva, is not going to be true. Siddhanti's thinking is Kalpanikatvam, yatra yatra Kalpanikatvam, tatra tatra Pratiti Matra Shariratva. So in this, Ghata is existing before Ghata Jnana. So you will have to accept Ajnata Satta of Ghata. And therefore, in that, Ghatadi Vyapaka, Pratiti Matra Shariratvam will not be there. Pratiti Matra Shariram means Pratiti Matra Satta. When Pratiti is there, only Tat Kala there is Satta. So Purvapaksha says in Ghatadi this is not going to be true. Pratiti Matra Shariratva Vyapta Kalpanikatva. Nacha Kalpanikatva Nishedha. काल्पनिकत्व विशेषः प्रातिभासिकत्वादिः एव तद्व्याप्तः गौरवात्. Now there is a bheda or a division within this vyapti. See, Siddhanti will say yatra yatra kalpanikatvam tatra tatra pratiti matra sharira. Purva Pakshi will say what was Purva Pakshi's first vyapti? Purva Pakshi's vyapti was yatra yatra kalpanikatvam tatra tatra pratiti matra sharira. So Siddhanti said Hata Patadi are also Kalpanika. So you should understand this way. According to Purva Paksha, Rajju Sarpa is Kalpanika. He says Yatra Yatra Kalpanikatvam Tatra Tatra Pratiti Matra Shariratvam. Siddhanti, what he will say, Vyavaharik Prapancha is also Kalpanika. Purva Pakshi says, but there, yatra yatra kalpanikatvam tatra tatra pratiti matra shariratvam, this is not valid. Because Ghatadi has existence before pratiti. So Siddhanti says, instead of saying yatra yatra kalpanikatvam, what you should say, yatra yatra pratibhasikatvam tatra tatra pratiti matra shariratvam. That's what he said. Nacha you leave. Nacha Purva Pakshi will say. Siddhanti will say kalpanikatva visheshaha pratibhasikatvadihi eva tadvyaptaha. Siddhanti will say in kalpanikatva there is a vishesha. Kalpanikatva is for pratibhasika, kalpanikatva is also for vyavaharika. But they are different kinds. In pratibhasika, which is also kalpanika, what is kalpanika according to Vedanti, you know? Jnana badhyatvam is kalpanika. When the or adhisthana jnana badhyatvam. Adhisthana jnanena, when the badha happens, and that means it is kalpanika. So Brahma Jnanena Ghata is Badita. So Ghata is Kalpanika. Ghata is Adhyastha in Brahma. And Rajju Jnanena Rajju Sarpa Badha. So Rajju Sarpa is Kalpanika. So both are Kalpanika. Adhisthana Jnana Nivartyatvam. So in Kalpanikatva, there is a Vishesh, there is a division, subdivision if you call, Pratibhasikatva. Siddhanti will say, we should say, Yatra yatra Pratibhasikatvam, tatra tatra Pratiti-matra Shariratvam. Not Yatra yatra Kalpanikatvam, tatra tatra Pratiti-matra Shariratvam for you. Because your understanding is, for Pratibhasika you accept. But for Vyavaharika, you are not accepting Kalpanikatva. So Siddhanti will say this way, Purva Pakshi says, Iti na cha vachya. Purva Pakshi doesn't agree with that part. Why? He says Gaurava. There is Gaurava dosha. What is the Gaurava? When you add such Vishesha, that within Kalpanikatva, you are taking only one aspect. If you say Kalpanikatva is there for Pratibhasika as well as Vyavaharika, then why you have to say Yatra yatra Pratibhasikatvam tatra tatra Kalpanikatvam. I mean Pratiti-matra Shariratvam. Instead of saying Yatra yatra Kalpanikatvam only. Kalpanikatvam should apply for both. It is like saying, instead of Yatra yatra Dhumas tatra tatra Vannihi, if I say Yatra yatra Nilo Dhumaha tatra tatra Vannihi. So this Yatra yatra Nilo Dhumaha is not appropriate Vyapti. There is Gaurava dosha in this. Because in Hetu, there is Vyartha Visheshana. Nila Dhuma is not required. Only Dhuma Vanni Vyapti you can do Siddhi. Nila Dhuma is not needed. So like that, Purva-paksha says, Kalpanikatva you should leave. Means you should keep in the Vyapti. Not Kalpanikatva Vishesha Pratibhasikatva. Yatra yatra Kalpanikatva Vishesha Pratibhasikatvam tatra tatra Pratiti-matra Shariratvam. This is not needed. There is Gaurava dosha in this. Gauravad. Nacha Pratiti-matra Shariratva abhave api. Jnana nivartyatvadina eva kalpitatvam bhavishyati. Siddhanti will say this. They say Pratiti-matra Shariratva abhava. Let's say Pratiti-matra Shariratvam is not there. Pratiti-matra Shariratvam is not there for Pratibhasika or Vyavaharika.
Vyavaharika.
Vyavaharika. So Siddhanti will say, let's leave Pratiti-matra Shariratvam. Jnana Nivartyatvam is there. Jnana means Adhisthana. Adhisthana Jnana Nivartyatva. So that will prove Kalpitatvam. Yatra yatra Adhisthana Jnana Nivartyatvam tatra tatra Kalpitatvam. Pratiti-matra Shariratvam you don't need. Or Yatra yatra Kalpitatvam tatra tatra Adhisthana Jnana Nivartyatvam. Bhavishyati. Purva-pakshi will say nacha. No. Why? Pratiti-matra Shariratva abhavena. Jnana nivartyatva abhavasya api apadyatvat. If you say Pratiti-matra Shariratvam is not there, then Adhisthana Jnana Nivartyatvam also will not be there. Jnana Nivartyatva abhavasya api apadyatvat. Means this apadanam is happening. If you see, if we say ghata is not pratiti matra sharira, if Siddhanti says ghata doesn't have pratiti matra shariratvam, I will agree. So Purva Pakshi says, if ghata does not have pratiti matra shariratvam, means if in ghata pratiti matra shariratva abhav is there, then jnana nivartyatva abhav also will be there. Jnana nivartyatva means, we will say brahma jnanena ghata nivritti. He will say that ghata is not adhyastha only. You are saying that ghata is adhyastha in Brahma. Then you say brahma jnanena ghata nivritti. It is not adhyastha only. Where is the question of jnana nivartyatva? So jnana nivartyatva abhava will come there also. Bhavasyapi apadyatva. Pratitehe vishwasatyatve nava mithyatve api swapnadivat indriya sannikarsha nirapekshataya eva upapattehe. When it comes to pratiti of this Vishwa Satyatvena va Mithyatve api. Satya or Mithya, Swapnadivat, in Swapna, Indriya Sannikarsha is not there. Swapna Vishayas, there is no Indriya Sannikarsha because there are no Indriyas. Still Jnanam is there. So Swapnadivat, Indriya Sannikarsha Nirapekshataya eva, without having to accept those, the pratiti of the Vishaya, Satyatvena va Mithyatve, either as Satya or Mithya, without Indriya Sannikarsha, pratiti will happen. Vishaya bhanam will take place. Whether it is bhranti or not is next thing. Vyavaharikattvasyapi bhranti dairghya matrena upapattehe cha iti chet. Vyavaharik vastu has to be separated from pratibhasika, Siddhanti will say. Why? Because pratiti matra shariratvam is not in Ghatadi. According to Srishti Drishtivada, Ghatadi are already created, Jnanam takes place later. So Siddhanti has to give some reality to Vyavaharik Satya compared to Pratibhasika. Not only that, there is another point. What is that? There is Pratyabhijna. Pratyabhijna will say, Soyam Ghataha. How all our Vyavahara happens. Soyam Acharyaha, Soyam Chhatraha, Soyam Prakoshtham, or Tadeva Prakoshtham is same. This is how I continue my day-to-day living. So Pratyabhijna is there in Vyavaharika, but it is not there in Pratibhasika. So Siddhanti says, but we accept that Vyavaharika is Mithya, even though there is Pratyabhijna. So Vyavaharikatvasyapi bhranti dairghya matrena. It is a dirgha bhranti. Dirgha swapne surantyete. Swarga mokshadi vibhramaha. Right? Are you all there?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
Advaita Makara. So, Pratyabhijna can be there, Siddhanti says, but it is longer Bhranti. For a few years, same Himalaya, same Himalaya, same Himalaya, this Jnanam comes. After that, out. Same Gangaji there. Pratyabhijna is Dirgha. For Pratibhasika, it is not there. So, it is Bhranti Dairgya Matra. Upapattischa, iti ched. So now there is some discussion. So according to Purvapaksha, this Vyapti, what he said, that it should be this way only. What? If it is Pratiti Matra Shariratvam, then only it is Kalpitatvam, according to Purvapaksha. But Siddhanti is now going to make some changes in this thinking. And Purvapakshi did not allow yatra yatra pratibhasikatvam tatra tatra pratimatra shariratvam, because he said there is gaurava in this vyapti. Up to this we came. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.